National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Giles County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 16 miles south of Lawrenceburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Loretto, St. Joseph, Minor Hill, and Good Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Giles, Tennessee,